time the children come. Big up to the girl who spend time with them picnic. Yeah, your old thing look better than your child. What you say? Yeah? Big up to the girl who put effort in her clothes and ear alone. They put effort in their picnic. After your child now the community service, oh everybody know your child. She run for mayor, he might run for politician. Yeah? Any politician that's all he might run for your position. It's a child. Big up to big up to the girl who know for cook supper and all Sunday give them picnic. Your picnic know your hand. Remember the songs used to make you walk away. Big up to all who run off of Florida. And all who up the long time so the truck just can't bother with you. Make your child know your hand. Only know your hand more than your child know your hand. Big up to the girl where them fit with them homework and learn something because you know you graduate with nothing. You pick that teacher 100 cents and one. Big up yourself, mother. You know if you calculate the fitness school fee now. Sunday, if you're supposed to drink some juice, so say, and I really don't taste good. My mother won't taste some. Big up to the girl when you say, people know your signature menu. And it's not a fast food or a corner shop. Food is not a luxury for your child. No, food is not a luxury. Yeah, big up to the girl where people can't say your woman world, man. Woo! That just means she loves me now. That mustn't be the same. Early in the morning. Trouble. Big up to 29, big up yourself. Big up yourself, stop text me. Stop text me though. Stop texting for me. My belly full today. 29, big up yourself and I eat foreign food. You're the man you eat today. Trouble, get out too. Get out too. Lord, she love me now. Lord, get out too. Get out too. People now come get out too. They go just go with that happy time. Mama, get irritated. Yeah. Well. She's still loving me. Trouble, no man, never take off my clothes. That song you make you just want to try. I just want to ask a small question. I'm not trouble nobody now, not here. So Dina now stop up with the dildo in front. What kind of man am I look now? Tell me the truth now. Dina, are you a top or a bottom? Are you just a verse? Because you know the net is very wide and you come out in your blue underwear and you have the dildo, the strap on in your pants. Dina, what's really wrong with you? And yeah, man, you broadcast the size of one cocky, just so to speak, say you hope that. You don't feel the same man, I go look you. You don't feel the same, tell you, say you're the next Marvin the Beast, you don't believe me, you know? Me say, me tell you, you're the next Marvin the Beast, you don't believe me. What kind of video that now? Then you can imagine now, me the company net now, you know, one tights and falls, boom. How much people that leave comment and say, yes, that me I run down, and that this me I do is not a woman. No, Dino. If you were well endowed, you wouldn't be using the dildo, you know. You understand me? So me I wonder where baby mother said, for play the song for me, please. And the song remember the size, Dino. Don't believe me. Like you walk and you Viagra, you never stand up. people funnily enough, you know. You understand me? Remember say Pink Ball pick up everything with me because she have nothing for this in a wheelchair she watch me. You get what me I say? And you come, Pink Ball that's enough baby man, that's cemetery by itself. Anyways, and you come and you have this strap on in your pants on now. Is that becoming of a man? I just want to ask. So I understand that's when they leave the young boys them extremely confused because boy go on that up in them to test them prostate. And I know I ask you, now you need to come and tell people how much time man come up in your inbox and look you up. Because you not talk the real something them, you know? Because once you're on the net, somebody will reach out to you. Yes. So you now come up and talk, so them a look you. Now you can come up and talk, so them a look you. I'm understand at 2020 now everybody want to get in tune to them feminine side and everybody want to know them always the letter from woman because sometimes when woman really talk about oh the man them pound them, you wonder oh me not get that reaction, the oh me not feel so when me in a girl. So when you can't get that feeling there, that's why enough boy who in love with them brethren take the same girl with them brethren do it because they just want to feel something. Sex is a mental thing. And that's what I need to understand. Sex is a mental thing. Now, I have a problem with him wearing the dildo, but I just a fed since he's wearing it on the net. You can imagine? You can imagine?
What is doing with that dildo?
Where am I with that dildo? Where did you get that? Who gave it to you? Who was using that? Because just 2 seconds ago, boy, we did come up in a dance hall, a very young youth, so OG must be name, starting name, OG something another. You understand me? He did a bomb off a dildo. Ha! Hey, ha, hey, ha, ha! You are going to tell me now, say, you're very flexible with this dildo now, and you're going to tell me now, say, not for one day in your life, you wonder how people take that. What's when you tell you're home alone?
Which is a strap.
You ever try sucking it yet? Just asking for a friend. You ever try laying your lips on it just to see if you could gag yourself? I'm just asking. Because every woman who have a dildo who never use a dildo once it's placed in their possession, they might go fascinated about it, might not today, tomorrow, next week, next month. You understand me? But one day you're going to take it up and examine it if you don't get rid of it. True or false? So why are we acting as if the males in Jamaica, especially the ones that are well seen, they are so straight? Huh? When we never sit well with some persons, but we never come to sit well with them, I come for to sit well with it. Play something because I'm coming back to the delay. It's the second time, you must be getting great reviews.
I just can't live without you.
From both sides.
No many men will try to tell me.
If me take up my daddy right now, then so much the big girl, though.
Oh baby, let them try.
Alright, I'm put on a wig right now. What am I going to say?
There will be no cause.
But just to ask the question, people, if I put on a wig right now, I'm not going to say me a batty man, a dress, I'm not going to say me a batty man. You understand me? If I come and sit down right now so with one dildo, I'm not going to say me a bum it off. True or false? I'm not going to say I must use a dildo there. There is no two way about it. But you know what is strange? I've never broadcasted anything like that. I've never even broadcast a thing like that. And you're going to tell me now, say, a known figure is on the net. What are you doing with a dildo? God never blessed you with a human dildo. Dildo isn't known like a Barbie doll for females. Now females alone, you know, occupy dildo. Good, my point exactly. So why is it that you feel comfortable putting on a dildo in your pants front? So which part your eye you're pengeling? Is the dildo your new toy? I'm just asking. No, in summary, because you have asked all of them something here.
Me we make you run out of me house in a half a frock.
When you're coming out